Hey guys, so welcome back. In today's vlog, we're gonna be doing some shopping and a little bit of updates on the home. I came to see what Target has for me today, and I found some beautiful pieces that I'm so much in love with. And I'm a fan of fall, y'all. So all of the fall decors is just so amazing. It's just like I just moved, so I don't think I'm doing any kind of decoration right now. Good morning, guys. So it is roughly about 8 a.m. I need to be at the house by 9 because I need someone to come and do measurements for the fireplace. So I got some stuff that I actually bought from Home Goods and few other stores that I have in a car. I just need to go and drop it there and wait for the guy. But I'll see y'all later. So after I saw the contractors, they decided to work this day, so I went by the Walmart around me and just decided to get a little bit of food because my mom always taught us to feed people when they are working for us, even if you are paying them. So I got some drink, I got some donuts and other stuff. And actually they were so excited. They didn't expect that. So that was another big deal for me. When I got out of the house, the guy for the chandelier came, and this is the outcome. I had this inspiration. I wanted the house to look very attractive, especially when you enter the house. And I feel like this light is giving that vibe. And I am so much in love with this. And he actually did a very good job. I would definitely recommend him anytime to anybody. He was very reasonable, and at this time I went by the pantry. I just decided to wipe it down and just put all of the organizations that I got from Amazon. I am going to try to put these things on my storefront, and I'm just in love.
Pero le voy a poner desde gris.
So at this time, I got my anointing oil because I actually prayed on over the house the first day, but I did not anoint the house. So at this point, I went and anointed the front door, the backyard. I put anointing oil on the back door as well, because this home is gonna be blessed. Whoever step their foot in this home, as long your feet touch this house or the ground in front of this house, you are blessed as well. I anointed the four corners of the yard and just decree and I declare the power of provision, the power of establishment, that God's grace will continue to abide with us, that He will continue to provide our wish according to His glory, that we will continue to shine before men, that whatever our mouths or our feet or our hand touches or speak will surely come to pass. So I decree and declare that day. I just kept on praying and telling God, thank you, because He's the author and finisher. He starts everything that He can complete. And at this point, my delivery driver came with my refrigerator and I was super excited. If you have reached to this part of the video and you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do and join the family. And until I see you guys next time, I love you. Bye guys.